Welcome back to 50 Acre Homestead. It's Clay. Today we're going to be putting fertilizer to our potatoes. I planted these potatoes in January the 31st, and today is March the 12th. And they up about 6 or 8 inches tall, and I'm going to add some fertilizer to them. And I'm going to put some dirt to them. These things come up, when they first come up, it got a pretty hard frost on it, and it killed, well, they weren't but about 10 of them up, and it killed them, but they come back. Potatoes are pretty tough. They'll come back if the freeze kills them, or if something eats them down, they'll come back and still make potatoes. But let's get to putting this fertilizer out. The fertilizer I'm going to be using is this Super Rainbow 10-10-10. I got my fertilizer in my bucket, in my old gravy boat there. And I'm just going to put about that much out. And this would not be the only time that I put fertilizer out. And it don't matter if it runs down the side of the hill, because I'm going to hoe dirt to these potatoes. They pretty. March the 12th, we got potato plants looking good. And I made a video when I planted these potatoes. You can go back and watch this video to see how to plant and grow these potatoes. And now we're going to put some dirt to them. And it actually brings that fertilizer back up that run down. And then we come right back up the other side. And it don't matter if you cover them up some. This is going to give them a nice bed and give them plenty of room to make potatoes. We can come out of this long sleeve shirt. That hoe will warm you right on up. That's what they look like once I get the fertilizer put to them and the dirt poured to them. That gives them a nice big bed. Plenty of room to make potatoes. And I'll put fertilizer to them one more time before it's time to harvest them. And I may put more dirt to them, I'll just have to see. Well, that's how I put fertilizer to taters and when I put fertilizer to potatoes. And you see how I put the dirt to them. I hope this helps somebody out grow potatoes. Potatoes are really, really easy to grow. I mean, it didn't take me hardly 10 minutes to do this. Let's take a look at my chickens. I have 10 hens and 2 roosters. I got to get rid of one of the roosters. They've laid 4 in that box already, and there's probably 1 or 2 in that box. She's laying 1 now. But I raised all of these from biddies. I hatched out all of them but 4. 4 of them I bought from Tractor Supply, and they were 2 or 3 days old when I bought them. But they're doing pretty good. They all just started laying. And we've been getting about 6 eggs or 7 eggs a day. I think there's still a couple that hadn't started laying yet, but it's time for them all to start. I've really been neglecting these onions. I really need to weed them, get the weeds out of them. I think I'll do that right now. Get these weeds out of these onions. It's warming up. They're just going to start growing more and more. Well, I got most of the weeds out. Some of these onions are looking pretty good. Weeds to take over if you don't get on top of them. I'm not going to weed these anymore until I pick them. And just a little update on what my onions look like. They coming right on along. Coming right on along. And these are the ones I have in my earth boxes. They're actually the biggest. Pretty nice. These are purple onions. But I appreciate you watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.